Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about waste management. Things that are no longer useful and are thrown away are called waste. Finding space to throw waste has become a problem. This is a longer problem in cities than in villages. Most of the waste can be thrown in an empty field. The waste items rot and get mixed with the soil easily. In cities, it is difficult to find any empty areas to throw waste. Waste from city houses also have a lot of plastic wrapping that do not rot and get mixed with the soil. Factories also generate many kinds of waste. Wastewater and smoke are examples of liquid and gaseous waste. Here I am discussing about how to manage waste. Recycling waste items. Some waste items like empty jam bottles, shampoo bottles, old newspapers and metal pipes can be recycled to make new products. These waste items are usually bought by scrap dealers who come to our homes. They sell these items to recycling factories. These factories melt them to make new products. Reusing waste items. Better reuse things rather than throwing them as waste. Clothes that no longer fit, broken furniture, and mugs with broken handles can be reused. We can give away clothes and shoes that no longer fit. Reusing things also save us money. We do not need to buy new things. Vermicomposting. Waste items like fruit and vegetable peels are biodegradable. This means that they rot and get mixed with the soil. They can be composted with the help of earthworms. Compost is a very good fertilizer. Compost is also called manure. So we segregate our waste. We can send our kitchen waste for vermicomposting. If we don't compost waste items like peels, they will rot. Rotting waste attracts pests like rats and flies. Reducing waste items. Instead of using and throwing away plastic bags, we should use cloth bags. Plastic bags form a large portion of the waste we throw. Disposable diapers form a large part of waste. We can try using cloth diapers to reduce the number of disposable diapers. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.